Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Mary. All right, it is time for us to start, and today we will continue with the series called True Refuge from Tara Bragg's book True Refuge. And this practice is called being kind to yourself. And again, it's based on the loving kindness meditation that you all already know, so just a little bit modified. As usual, take a few moments to settle in, taking a comfortable position. scan your body and notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. Don't try to control your experiences. Simply notice what is. Recognize what's going on and allow life to happen just as it is. Let your breath be easy and soft. Again, no need to control anything. No need to make your breath anything that it's not. Simply notice the natural rhythm, the natural movement of your breath. The loving kindness practice awakens us to our connectedness with all of life. And often the starting place is a simple offering of care to our own being. This simple practice is a direct and powerful way to awaken from our habitual trance. By regarding ourselves with kindness, we begin to dissolve the identity of an isolated, flawed self, connecting with life itself, creating the grounds for including others in an unconditionally loving heart. So as you continue to gently connect with your direct experiences, silently or in a whisper or out loud, begin offering yourself prayers of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be held in loving kindness. May I feel safe and at ease. May I feel protected from inner and outer harm. May I be happy. May I accept myself just as I am. May I know the natural joy of being alive. May my heart and mind awaken. May I be free. May I know the natural, deep peace. May I find true refuge within my own being. So choose just one or two lines that resonate the most with you right now. and repeat them over and over again, opening yourself to whatever images and feelings arise with those words. Approach this practice as an experiment, sensing what words and images best serve to soften and open your heart. Maybe gently place one or both hands on top of your heart and see if this deepens the experience of holding yourself with kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be held in loving kindness. May I feel safe and at ease. May I feel protected from inner and outer harm. May I be happy. May I accept myself just as I am. May I know the natural joy of being alive. May I touch deep, natural peace. May I find true refuge within my own being. I'll be silent for a couple of minutes. Again, select one or two lines that you like the most and keep repeating them, allowing whatever happens to happen. Sometimes the prayers of loving kindness can seem artificial, especially if you are in the grip of fear, shame, or confusion. Sometimes this practice may even highlight how undeserving and bad you feel about yourself. If that happens, without any judgment, include this reactivity in your practice. May this too be held in loving kindness. And then resume whatever phrase or phrases you chose. accepting whatever thoughts or feelings arise, and holding them in loving kindness. And now let go of those phrases, sitting quietly for a few moments. Scan your body again and notice the feelings in your whole body, in your heart, your throat, your belly. What's happening right now? Is there a new sense of space and tenderness? Do you feel more at home in your own being? The more you remember to regard yourself with kindness, the more readily you will find a sense of connectedness and freedom. You can practice this anywhere, offering yourself the phrases of loving kindness as you walk, drive, conduct the tasks of your daily life. And don't worry if sometimes it feels like you're just mechanically reciting the phrases. It's okay. Totally normal part of the process. Know that your heart will open with more practice. What matters most is your intention to awaken this openness, this connectedness, loving kindness within your own heart, so that you can feel at home with yourself. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.